Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to this platform. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course this had been on downtrend for a very long time, but after getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend right from there. However, we still needed to break out above this region, above this resistance zone, okay, so that it can buy more. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this region and had a major pullback, and of course went back up again to try out the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back into a downtrend. However, this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It was on downtrend for long, and of course broke out from this support zone to get to a new support zone, wasn't able to break out from there, so it started an uptrend right from there, and it has been buying since then. Okay, got to this region, had a little pullback, and it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500. This had been on uptrend since this support zone, got to this resistance zone, had a major pullback, but went back up again, and of course it is still buying at the moment, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it had a pullback and played around there for a while before going back up to get to a new resistance zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there, so it started selling right from there, and this is still selling at the moment. But if it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity right from there. That is if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect the trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.